Here's how to add fog to your footage in under 2 minutes in DaVinci Resolve. First, drag your clip into the timeline, and then select your clip, right-click, and choose Open in Fusion Page. We're going to drag this node right here, this fast noise, right in between our media in and media out. Then let's drag in a polygon mask right here, connect this box to the mask of our fast noise. Now, with polygon selected, we can draw over the area where we want our fog to be. Our fog is only applied right here. If we want to make this difference less noticeable, go to Polygon and bring up the soft edge. Then go to Fast Noise, turn up the detail, turn up the contrast, and turn down the brightness. Then, to make the fog move throughout your footage, put your playhead to keyframe 0. Tick this little keyframe by sieve, then drag it to the end of your clip, tick the keyframe again, and adjust it. This will change the variable of our fog. That's it for this tutorial, but if you want to learn how to make this footage look like night, check out this video right here to learn how to do that. Thanks for watching and see you next time.